Here we are at the Newell Waterfalls. There's no real walkway either, is there? The Newell Waterfalls. Jared Falls. Another bit here, another bit here.
Waterfall Way going to Dorrigo.
The windy roads of the Waterfall Way. That's what we need. That'll probably do anyway. Video, unless we see something really nice. Holy mate, do we have fang in it? Here we are at the Dorrigo National Park and have a look at the skywalk or whatever it all is.
The sign's over here. Have a look at the sign. Cold. It's Dorrigo. It's cold.
Nice and cool, but gee, this will be nice. We'll get a little bit of a walk through here. You've got some picnic table and chairs there. There's a path over there. What's that one? So this is the picnic area. Nice little area. Then back to the information centre. We're up on the canopy. And it goes way down there. It's a bit of a sky walk, but it's not a big one. There is a suspension bridge on that. I think it depends on how far you got to walk to go to that Crystal Falls. Whether it'll be too far to go. Is that to the falls or is it?
Well, it's the round trip.
Oh man, what a view. Oh. This is awesome. Oh, getting vertigo already. That is just awesome. I can't get it all in. Can't see the screen properly. Oh, we can blacken it out. Let's do this a bit. Some tree. Oh.
Oh yeah, watch where your feet are going.
Wow, this is thick, isn't it? You can hear probably wind, is it? Still got 3G. Maybe we might keep getting a good signal through here anyway. This would be a good place to come and do the whole 6K loop, wouldn't it, one day?
Yeah.
For sure. think we might just stop here, eh? Here we are going up the steep ramp. I get the labyrinth. So hard when you dodge the bushes. Oh, look at that, someone's taking a shortcut. So we missed the other deck earlier. Going down will be probably better than going up, I reckon. If no one's behind us, it's even better. Never going to go past someone. Oh, we'll only get their back anyway. Might not get it all.
Wobbles. Got the wobbles.
Someone's been swimming. Gotta love boardwalks, I reckon. Nice little spot, really. The Danger Waterfalls near Dorrigo. I'll go through the trees. This is cool with all the vines on the side and the ferns, I should say. Wow.
Sneak peek of the waterfalls.
Oh, is that it? This is the end of it.
Pretty cold.
That dude's doing
Refreshing.
everything wrong, you just need to jump in.
Yep, you just gotta do it and get out.
Plunge.
Yeah.
Yep, do it and get out. And then we
Short
left the
containers
fire
and
going. We
Ah.
lit a fire so we could go.
Oh, good idea. I was resetting the battery because I had a GoPro freeze and my battery case fell off this deck and went down there, and there's a real steep drop there. I climbed over that fence, went down, fell. Lucky I was holding on to the deck, stopped me from sliding all the way down, and I found it in all the rubble, but I also found a pair of glasses and
Pedometer or something?
I don't know what it is.
Pedometer, no?
Yeah, well, probably needs a new battery, but God only knows what else has dropped down there. We go down to the waterfalls.
To the rock.
I'm going to have an accident. Where am I? I think we're only a little bit lower as well. Wait till we get a bit soft. Going up the hill now. Baby. Ooh. Hopefully I'm getting something in the background of the but this way we can get the, or maybe I should get one going that way so I can cut between.
Going down.
Feels like someone's cooking.
Yeah, it does, eh? Just climbed up the hill, we're puffing. Well worth checking it out, making the trips. We're going to go to Ebor Waterfalls now.
On the way to Ebor Falls, about 9 kilometres I think from here.
Ebor's sign. Lower Falls Lookout, 700 metres. Ebor Village Track. So we should have photos of the viewing deck. We'll look them up. Look it up, and here you can still see all the fire damage down there. Oh, you're not going to see the same view. Just going to have to hope we've got a bit of a view there. I hope we'll go over there the rail when we're doing them. Pretty awesome views. See, we didn't walk this last time, did we?
No, we just couldn't do it.
Gives you a bit of an idea of the fire that came through and decimated everything. The trees reshooting. It's amazingly enough. I'm not sure what we get to see of the lower falls, whether there's going to be anything to see of that either. Closed due to dangerous trees from fire damage. So that's the end of that. We can't go.
And we'll obey the signs.
Get a bit of us walking with that in the background as well, and we come back through. Anyway, we might get 600 or 700 metres by the time we get back to the car. Maybe 800. It's still something, I suppose. Yeah, I thought there was longer walks here that you could do to some Ks.
Yeah.
Too bad. I'm not really trying to get the shot. Got the dead tree in the way here with a shot. So anyway, not the best shot we wanted, but anyway, can't do much about it until I get it all fixed again. Man, that's awesome though, isn't it?